I'm already recorded.
Okay.
So what I'm doing here, decompression of the first rib. Sometimes I do sitting for people with the fibromyalgia. So you're gonna find that trapezius right in here. You do not point in this triangle between the clavicle. I know it's a space and you can feel that first rib up there. This is the safe way. So find that, it's a levator scapula right there, levator scapula, and you find that trapezius muscle and you just,
Oh yeah, that's it.
and you feel that first rib right there, and all you do, Klein, you're breathing deep. There we go, and she's pushing against it, and when she's relaxed, you apply a little pressure. Gentle work, don't need to push too much, and she's breathing. Sometimes people say, "Oh, I feel tingling, numbness in my hands." Yes, they can experience that. Be very gentle, push it out. For the bigger guys, yeah, I do sitting position and I do decompression like very good and strong. So they just like, oh man, this is like feel great. But this is very gently. She relax. Remember, when we stress, what we're doing, we shrug our shoulders first, and that rib is pushing against that nerves up here, which is brachial plexus nerve, and create that numbness, discomfort in your hands. So you already know that's what's going on here. So here we go, and this is what you do for at least like 4 or 5 minutes. She's breathing, she more relaxed, and that's the key. Okay.